Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Christy and I normally would say it is time to cook. However, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have $50 here and I am about ready to go do some shopping and I want to see how many groceries I can buy with $50. The cost of food has skyrocketed. Inflation is at an all-time high. I mean, the struggle is real. Trying to feed a family can definitely be a challenge. So today I'm going to go to two different stores. I'm going to go to Walmart simply because I know that pretty much everyone has access to a Walmart. And then I'm also going to an Aldi. Now, if you're not familiar with Aldi, it's just a discounted grocery store. And if you don't have an Aldi in your area, you may have a grocery outlet or some other type of discounted grocery store. But those are the two stores I'm going to go to today. I'm going to do a little bit of price comparison and I'm just going to see how many groceries I can get with the $50. I'm going to bring them home and then I'm going to show you everything that I buy with the $50 and then I'm going to cook. I'm going to see how many meals that I can make from the groceries that I buy with the $50. Should be interesting, should be a lot of fun, so let's go. Well, there is no cream cheese here on the shelf at Walmart. And Aldi only has a third less fat cream cheese. Okay guys, so here are all the groceries that I bought today with the $50. And I spent $25.53 at Aldi and I spent $24.07 at Walmart. And that is a total of $49.60. Pretty close, I must say. Now I have 5 meals planned to cook from these groceries and I'm pretty excited about that. I think that's pretty good actually. I had in my mind kind of what I wanted to make. I did make a grocery list, but I had no idea how far that the $50 would go. I had no idea how much I would be able to buy with the $50. So 5 meals is a little bit more actually than what I thought. So let me go over everything that I bought and then I'm going to show you the meals that I will make from these groceries. So from Aldi, I got the 3-pound bag of frozen chicken breast. It's the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then I have some cheese here. I've got the mozzarella, cheddar, and then a Colby Jack blend. 2 jars of marinara pasta sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. I have 2 containers here of sour cream, a container of ricotta cheese, 2 packages of cream cheese, and the only cream cheese I can find anywhere is the third less fat, but that'll be fine. I've got some fresh garlic, and then I have some flour tortillas, and this is a 20 count. So at Walmart, I got the ground beef. They had these 1-pound packages. They had the 1-pound packages at Aldi as well, but they were more expensive. You could buy in bulk like a 5-pound package at Aldi and it was cheaper per pound, but the 5-pound package was like over $15, and that would have used up a good amount of my money. So I just went with the Walmart ground beef. And then I also found here this boneless, skinless chicken thighs that were reduced for $4.70. So I got those. I got a head of broccoli, and then I got 1 bell pepper and 1 onion. Also got some brown instant rice, and then I got 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Now they have cream of chicken soup at Aldi that's cheaper, but they were out of it. Then I got green chilies and enchilada sauce. And then I had found this 1-pound box of spaghetti at Walmart. They have spaghetti at Aldi, but they don't have a 1-pound box, and the 1-pound box was cheaper. And then I got the egg noodles. Now, they were out of egg noodles at Aldi, so I just went ahead and got them at Walmart. All of the meals that I will be making are meals that I have made on my channel, and I will give you the link to those videos in the description box below. And I also wanted to mention that a few of the ingredients that I will be using are things that I already had in my kitchen, such as the spices and seasoning, some chicken bouillon cube. And for the Greek chicken with rice, I did use some carrots and celery and some lemon that I already had. So the first meal that I made is a chicken fajita and noodle casserole. This makes a large quantity and is a freezer-friendly recipe. Next is chicken enchiladas. This also feeds a crowd and can be frozen. So I have made a baked spaghetti and a taco lasagna, and I have made them in aluminum pans because I'm going to freeze them. These freeze really well. They make a large quantity. It's just really nice to have a meal like this on hand in your freezer. And finally, I made the Skillet Greek chicken with rice. This is a favorite in our house. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, or if you would like to see more content like this, please let me know. I found it very interesting filming this video and seeing just how far $50 would go in buying groceries. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon with some delicious recipes.